Hello Placida, this is Tracy again from Stiletto Millionaires, and I've got a question for you that one of my ladies has been asking. She's got a group or a community of people and she'd like to engage with them, and she's finding that they're not responding to her questions. So she's asking questions and they're not responding. So her question is, how can she get them to engage with her? Is there a trick to the type of questions that people could ask in order to get people to engage with them on social media?
Okay. Basically, how you want people to engage with you is for you to give them valuable content. If people see that you're always getting very good quality information from you, they would naturally want to hear more from you. And when you ask a question, they would answer your question. But if you start off by just asking questions, they're not going to listen to you. They're just going to ignore you, totally ignore you. But if you offer things like freebies and say, oh, guess what? I just found this and I want to share with you guys, and you give them out. So you're giving lots of value to them, then they become your friends. You want to also be involved in their activity. So when they put up updates on their profile, you want to comment on their updates. You want to celebrate them when they have their birthday parties. Send out a nice message. Not just the one on the wall, but you can take an extra step to send them a direct message on their Facebook. So say, oh, I just want to wish you a happy birthday personally, not just put it on your wall. So they feel really connected with you. So you're already connecting with them because you're going that extra mile to do what no one else is doing. That way they get really interested in your business, interested in you, and they see you as a nice, friendly person. So whatever you're desiring from your clients, you want to give that back to them. And when you give that back to them, you get much more in return because they not only come, but they bring their friends along. So the first step is being friendly. Just be you. Just relax. Forget about your business. Forget about selling. Just be you. Just be, I don't know, a girl that is in secondary school who is trying to make friends with other girls. So that's the kind of person you want to be. Be friendly, be nice, and then you attract more people that love you, and then they just spread the word about you. That's the answer.
Okay.
I hope that has
Thank
helped.
you very much. I shall let her know.
Okay.
Thank you, Placida. This is Tracy from Stiletto Millionaires.
Thank you.